Hey y'all, I go by the name of Roxy Rose, and this is Roxy Rose Guides. Considerations for your budget planner. Well, really, my budget planner is it's for me. It's my budget planner. So, welcome back, y'all. I know you guys don't get to see my face very often, But I am so excited today to go ahead and share with you guys my budget planner considerations for the new year 2022. So I'm excited today to go ahead and do a quick little countdown of all the planners that I've been able to research, because y'all, I've been online just stalking, looking for some, new budget planners for the new year. So yeah, I want you guys to go ahead and help me. Please go ahead, leave a comment down below. Please like and subscribe this video. And if you know any planners that I didn't mention, or if you really like the planners that I mentioned, please go ahead and leave a comment. I love to hear all your comments and everything you guys have to say. Speaking of helping me, what really could help me today is if you guys go ahead and download the Fetch app and use my code. My code is in the description below. Remember, the Fetch app is so helpful, especially during this holiday season. You guys know Black Friday just passed. We have Christmas coming up and New Year's is coming up. There's going to be a bunch of sales. And all those receipts, all you do is snap a picture and you get a gift card after you receive a certain amount of points. And guess what? Right now, you get 4,000 points, or I get 4,000 points, and you get 2,000 points just for signing up and taking a picture of your first receipt. Y'all, I just made my husband do it, so it's possible, and you can get those points. So please go ahead and sign up for the Fetch app. That will really help me out. So I want to tell you guys a little bit about the planners that we have for today. The planners that we have today is a list that I've derived from all of my research. I love the budgeting community that's here on YouTube. So I actually went ahead and found some planners from them. In fact, most of my planners, except one, are all from budget community YouTubers. So I'm so really thankful that they're able to make their content. Thank you guys so much, because you're able to make your content and you really make budget planners that are helpful for you to budget and do cash envelope and sinking funds. I went ahead and made a list of some budget planners that I really want to pay some homage to. You guys are doing a wonderful job, and you guys are making content and, planners that I really could use are really helpful for me. So before we get started, let me talk about me and how I budget, okay? So I get paid semi-monthly, which means 2 times a month, and I'm trying to do a zero-based budget, which means to give every single dollar that you have a job. And I'm trying to get into budgeting by paycheck. I'm used to budgeting monthly, and you guys see my, if you guys watched any of my videos, you know that I do my monthly budget, and those are okay, but I really like to break down how every single paycheck is broken down for the expenses and what I spend and what I save. So I'm really trying to get into budgeting by paycheck. I want something a little sophisticated because I'm grown. So I want something a little different than what I've had previously. And my budgeting has really, elevated over the years. I started in a notebook, just writing out my budget on a notebook. And then I started to download PDF files of other people's budget planners and bought one online. But now I really want something for, my grown 30-something-year-old self to enjoy. So that's what I really want. I'm not really new to budgeting, so I don't want to get something that's kind of blah, that only has the basic areas when it comes to budgeting. I need some specific things. I need space for my cash envelopes and my sinking funds. So I need that in my budget. And you know what? I actually use the avalanche method. I may be switching back and forth between the snowball and the avalanche method until all my debt is paid off. But I really try to use the avalanche method. So I like things that can lean towards both methods for paying off debt. So right now, I'm just going to go ahead and leave you a huge disclaimer. All right. I ain't hating on any of these budget planners. Okay. every single person that has created this budget planner took their time, took their energy to go ahead and create something that we as consumers, clients, buyers, as purchasers, we really do appreciate. So I appreciate everybody I'm mentioning up here. What I'm going to do is just put in the pros that I noticed and some things that, maybe could be improvement for them. Hopefully they watch this video. You could go ahead and let them know that I'm talking about them. And maybe they'll message you back or watch my video. That'd be cool. But it would be really nice to see some other, some changes for some of them. So that's just a disclaimer I have. In no way am I trying to say anything wrong or critique anybody's work. I'm just trying to figure out what planner might be best for me based on what I saw online. So guys, in no particular order, I'm going to go ahead and share with you guys the budget planners that I'm thinking about for 2022, y'all. I'm excited. Okay, let's get into it. The first planner I want to go over is the Easy Cash Budget Planner by Beautifully Me and You. Oh, I love her. I love her channel. All right, so her budget planner is amazing. It is also on Amazon, which is really cool, right? And I love it because it has savings trackers, and she also has a separate savings tracker planner as well, which is really cool. Here's some pros about her planner. It is undated. It is a bi-weekly budget planner. It has cash stuffing trackers, and it really has like enough of those in the sinking funds to really last a real cash stuffer, not just like 5. So that's good. It has some debt trackers in there, some savings challenges, and it's on Amazon, y'all. It's $15, and it might be on sale right now. So go ahead and check it out. The link is in the description, of course. She updated it, and there's other, side things like a mini tracker and savings tracker that she has with her stuff. So y'all check her out. It's really amazing. The next planner I want to get into is really, really new. The Elevated Life Code Planner. Now, some of my favorite budget planning community YouTubers, which is Taylor Budgets and The Crafty Budgeter. They make amazing videos, amazing content, and I love what they did. They came together to go ahead and make a planner for us, y'all. And I really love it. And listen, purple is my favorite color. I love that they use purple all through that planner. I really like their planner. It's like extremely new and it's awesome. I think this planner is something that I'm definitely considering in the future. And they have a monthly spread and a paycheck spread inside of theirs. They also have a weekly lifestyle planner page, which is cool if you really want all of your planners kind of put together. I think that's really good. They have, pages for sinking funds and then debt update pages, which I really, really love. And, they said they were open to suggestions. So I want to see what ends up happening with them. This would be amazing. The next budget planner I'm really excited to talk about is the Organized Money Budget Planner. Organized Money, this woman makes budget planners. They are so good and they're really intentional. Like everything is intentional with her channel. Everything's intentional, and this woman must, have everything in order because it's just like, I don't know, maybe she was an accountant or something. Everything is broken down piece by piece, and I love it. I really do. This planner I really like because this planner is colorful, y'all. It has a monthly budget spread. It has 5 paycheck budget spreads, and it includes many things, your annual review, your yearly, breakdown, your goals, different things that you want to do, your trackers, your savings trackers and plans. And I really like it. I like it a lot more than the other one that she had last year because it's a lot more colorful. And I'm a lady. I want to look at pretty things. I can't just the white and black. It's just too much for me. I need some color in it. I need a little splash because after a while, when you're writing in your planner every month, you need it to feel fun. And the colors make it feel fun. So yeah, I really, really like that. Plus, it's affordable, y'all. It is $28 for her to send it to you, all laminated and everything. And it's $9 just to download it. and it was just $7, you know, on Etsy during this whole Black Friday deal. So definitely check her out. I'm sure there might be another sale coming out. You know, I'm speaking into existence. I don't know. But I think this is a really good planner, especially if you already into cash envelopes and sinking funds and you really want to break down every single portion. I think that's really helpful. Another one that I'm really into, the Budget by Paycheck Planner by the Budget Mom. Okay, it's newly updated, though it really breaks down by paycheck. They also have like a meal plan portion there where you can plan out your meals for the week, which is really cool. It has 5 paycheck budget spreads. It has debt payoff spreads. It has a net worth tracker, which is cool. It has meal plan. It has teller slips, y'all. Like, it has teller slips that you can just like rip off. That's really amazing. And then also, it also has stickers. And you know I love stickers. I love stickers, right? And I like that it has quotes every single month to kind of like influence. The Elevated Life quote also has quotes every month, which, you know, kind of, you know, makes you feel a type of way. It makes you feel good, you know, feel blessed. But anyway, that one's really, really good. I really think, you know, it's really good. And it definitely goes, if you like Dave Ramsey, I feel like that kind of follows the Dave Ramsey, like breaking down every single step. So that's a budget I have been considering. My last planner on my list, and I'm gonna be honest, y'all, this one is a little bit my favorite, okay? I saw this planner on Shea Budgets, and I've seen it on other people's channel as well. But this planner, I'm really excited about, y'all. I've been asking my husband to go ahead and buy this planner for my birthday or for Christmas or something, because I really want it. Fancy Budget Planner, y'all. This fancy budget planner, it comes with a lot. It comes with a lot. So I'm gonna just tell you what it has and what it doesn't have. You decide what you want to do about you. But I'm excited for it because it comes with a lot. Okay. So this budget planner comes with a monthly spread. It comes with 3 calendars, which I'm not sure if you need all them calendars, but it comes with 3 calendars. It comes with savings challenges like Saveopoly and other games that you can play. It comes with dice. It has a whole pack, you know, a lot of manifestation things and goals for the future and annual reviews, you know. It has your monthly spreads and it has other things for paychecks if you want to put it in there, but it doesn't have a whole paycheck spread, which is the only thing I would say is kind of like, kind of wish it had a paycheck spread. Like that would have been really nice. But, you know, it has, you know, trackers for savings. It has trackers for debt payoff. It has trackers for a lot of things. And I love savings challenges. I love these little trackers that they have. And, you know, I think it's really colorful and fun. It comes with a pen and there's a bunch of sets where it comes with a bunch of extra accessories that come with your planner. And you can get it in 3 different colors, which I think are really nice. So, yeah, I mean, I'm interested in all these planners, to be honest. I think all of them have something to offer me. I wish all of these budget planners came with a budget by paycheck spread. You know, some of them do, some of them don't. So I really need to think about this, but I need y'all to help me. Please leave a comment below. Which planner do you think would be best for me to get? You know, I'm really trying to save a lot of money for 2022, and I need y'all help, y'all. What do you think I should do? What do you think I should get? Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I hope you have a blessed and prosperous holiday, y'all. Peace. Roxy Rose out.